you all might be interested in what's going on here. So this is distilled water again, and I'm using this contraption. I need to draw out the schematic of where I'm at, but I'm getting this chair shape when I hit it, but it's really making a mushroom. I just let it settle and hit it fresh again, and you'll see what I mean. Pause so you don't have to watch the settle time. Righto, that's probably good enough. And focus proper. There we go. Go. Thanks for watching.